Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So in the beginning, I must thank all the subscribers from this channel to help it to grow day by day. Today, in this video, I'll start from a story, not a story but a problem solving question. Once there were three friends. They went for some tea to a restaurant, and after having tea, they got the bill rupees 75 rupees. So each paid 25 rupees, and the waiter took the money to the manager, and manager returned 5 rupees, taking only 70 rupees. So the waiter thought that if I return back 5 rupees, then there will be problem to divide among three. So he took 2 rupees and returned 5 rupees to them, 3 rupees to them, and he informed the same thing. So they took 1 rupee each. Now they paid 24 rupees, and previously they paid 25 rupees. Now 24 multiplies 3, 72. So they tried thinking. We paid 72, then plus 2 is the waiter, then it is 74. But previously we have paid 75 rupees. So now it has become 74. So where is 1 rupee? Who took that money? Who took 1 rupee? So viewers, can you please explain? Can you solve this problem? Can you make them understand where is 1 rupee? Who took that? So I am not discussing the answers because I want to say this is your lack of numeracy and as well as literacy skills. Sometimes we think of this type of problem, we cannot get the answer, we cannot solve a problem. So every individual needs some literacy and numeracy skills. So our National Education Policy 2020 suggested that every child before going to class 4 should have fundamental, foundational, basic numeracy as well as literacy skills, so that they can solve problem in their life. So let us begin the video. What is literacy skills, what is numeracy skills, and how children will attain, and what is the role of teacher. Let us begin. So today our video is Foundational Literacy and Numeracy, an urgent and necessary prerequisite to learning. Rather, I'll say foundational literacy and numeracy is not just a skills but life skills. Foundational literacy. Foundational literacy refers to the skills and strategies involved in reading, speaking, writing, and interpreting one's thought. Foundational numeracy is the ability to reason and to apply simple numerical concepts. Basic numeracy skills consist of comprehending fundamental arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What is the need of talking again? We are already developing these skills at primary level. Why we are talking again? Because current scenario says that various governmental as well as non-governmental surveys indicate that we are currently in a learning crisis. A large proportion of students currently in elementary schools, estimated to be over 5 crores in number, have not attained foundational literacy and numeracy, the ability to read and comprehend basic text and ability to carry out basic addition and subtraction. Now, why literacy skills are essential? Literacy is critical to economic development as well as individual and community well-being. Effective literacy skills open the doors to more educational and employment opportunities to prevent your chronic unemployment. Increasing complex and rapidly changing technological world, it is essential that individuals continuously expand their knowledge and learn new skills to keep a pace with the technology. Persons with adequate literacy skills maintain better health. Why numeracy skills are essential? Maths or numerical skills helps individual to think analytically and have better reasoning abilities. Analytical thinking refers to the ability to think critically about the world around us. Analytical and reasoning skills are essential because they help us to solve problems and look for solutions. So, literacy and numeracy help people gain the fundamental skills necessary to achieve success in life. So, numeracy and literary skills are very much essential. Now, let us see the new system of education according to the National Education Policy 2020. When they are keeping the target of this foundational numeracy and literacy skills, they have changed the pattern also. So this is your 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. You will see that the foundational is your 3 years as always class 1 and 2, then your class 3 to 5, so on. So, what is the target of National Education Policy 2020 about this foundational literacy and numeracy skills? Urgent national mission is for to attain foundational literacy and numeracy for all children. Every student will attain foundational literacy and numeracy by grade 3. The highest priority of the education system will be to achieve universal foundational literacy and numeracy in primary school by 2025. A national mission on foundational literacy and numeracy will be set up by the Ministry of Human Resource Development (MHRD) on priority basis. All states and UT governments will immediately prepare the implementation plan for the attaining universal foundation literacy and numeracy in all primary schools, identifying the stage-wise target to goal to be achieved by 2025. What is ECCE program? What is the program which is planned by National Education Policy? It is the Early Childhood Care and Education Scheme provides free early childhood care and education for all the children of preschool age through Anganwadi and play schools. As per National Education Policy 2020, the universal access to ECCE targets priority to primary education in local language with local teachers, 30:1 pupil-teacher ratio, robust system of continuous formative and adaptive assessment to track and ensure each student's learning. Exposure to different kinds of reading material like newspaper, novels, comics, magazines, and websites. technological aids to teachers. Teachers training will continuous professional development to impart foundational literacy and numeracy. Use of Vedic mathematics for enhancing basic numeracy. So this has given the importance. Peer learning in joyful manner under the supervision of trained teacher. The learning will be with peer in a joyful manner. Next, what will be the curriculum? Increased focuses on foundational literacy and numeracy, generally on reading, writing, speaking, counting, arithmetic, and mathematical thinking throughout the preparatory and middle school curriculum, with a robust system of continuous formatting and adaptive assessment to track each student's learning. Specific hours daily and regular events will be dedicated over the years on activities involving these subjects. Teacher education and the early grade curriculum will be redesigned to have renewed emphasis on foundational literacy and numeracy. Next is interim 3 months play based school preparation module for all grade 1 students. An interim 3 months play based school preparation module for all grade 1 students, consisting of activities and workbook around the learning of alphabet, sounds, words, colors, shapes, numbers, and involving collaboration with peers and parents will be developed by NCERT as well as SCERT. Again, Diksha, a national repository of high quality resources on foundational literacy and numeracy, will be made available on web portal Diksha. Technological interventions to serve as aids to teachers. The training will also be given to the teachers. Peer tutoring to support teachers in the mission of attaining universal foundational literacy and numeracy. Peer tutoring can be taken up as a voluntary and joyful activity for fellow students under this mission under the supervision of trained teachers. Enjoyable and inspirational books. Enjoyable and inspirational books for students at all levels will be developed, including through high quality translation in all local and Indian languages, and will be made available extensively in both schools and local public libraries. Health checkup. All school children shall undergo health checkups, especially for 100% immunization, and medical card will be given to the children. Next is role of teacher in developing numeracy and literacy skills. We'll go for this next time.